So I've had this MeatEater fish and game cookbook for about a year now, and it's hands down one of the best cookbooks that I own. If you hunt, fish, or just like wild game, this one is worth having on the shelf. It's more than just recipes, it's a full guide to understanding how to handle, prep, and cook wild game the right way. Steve Ranella does a great job breaking down everything in a way that's approachable and still packed with detail. He covers everything from small game and big game to fish and waterfowl, with techniques that actually translate to a real kitchen or a campsite. You can tell he spent a lot of time in the field and behind a stove. The layout is clean and the photos are solid, and every recipe I've tried so far has turned out great. I've used it for venison, trout, and even some duck, and the results have all been consistent. It's practical but still gives you enough variety to keep things interesting. What I like most is how it blends skill and storytelling. Ranella weaves in a bit of hunting culture, personal experience, and conservation, which makes it more than just a cookbook. It feels like a field guide for people who live this lifestyle. If you're into hunting, fishing, or just want to take wild game cooking seriously, this book is a must-have. It's become my go-to reference in the kitchen, and I find myself pulling it off the shelf all the time. I would highly recommend it. As always, you can find an affiliate link in the description below if you want to check this product out yourself.